Hey guys, some people are wondering what laser I use. So I thought I'd give you guys a tour of my scratch build laser cutter. This is it right here. This is all scratch build, and I designed and built this last year. It took me around 5 months to design and build, and it cost me around 2,500 Canadian dollars. And it's up to you to calculate that in American dollars. Yeah, so the on buttons right here pretty much open the e-stop. It'll home. All the controls right here. This is a DSP controller. This is a Trosin. This is my control for air assist, to have more air or less air. My DC fan that blows across my piece. LED lights on or off. My radiator fan for my coolant, it's in the back there. This is the on and off button. And yeah, my air assist on or off. Coolant flow and exhausts, you always have to have that on. And the laser power. There's actually two interlocks here. There's an on button for the laser power here, and there's also an interlock here. So when the door is open, the laser cannot work. Yeah, this is a 600 by 400 millimeter table. This is, if you want to clean it, this is removable very easily using magnets in the bottom. And like what I said, this is the DC fan. It has high speed and low speed controls. Basically, it's just switching between 12 volts and 24 volts power supply. And I like to have this blowing across my piece all the time to have a cleaner engraving. Yeah, and that one is my exhaust fan leading out there to my window. It's a 6 inches fan, and in the back, as you can see, this that's a 50 watt laser tube. It's around 1,000 millimeters length, and yeah, here there's not much to see down there. It's just empty space, really. These are all the wiring and all the electronic stuff is in the right side here. As you can see, my PSUs, my stepper controllers, a bunch of different filters as well is there, and yeah, it's all here. The Z-axis, it's around 1.5 feet to 2 feet. Z-axis going up and down, so there's a lot of room. And down there, as you can see, that blue bin there is just in case the coolant leaks. I've never had it leak before, but just in case. Yeah, and the Z-axis is motorized, so you can control it using this Z-axis up and down right here. As you can see, you can go way down or way up. I used to have an autofocus, but I took it out because I don't really use it that much, and it's just putting a lot more weight on this head right here. And what else? Yeah, my coolant is in the back. I actually don't have a chiller because it gets really cold here, so I don't really need a chiller. That's just my coolant. It's really simple. And as I said before, that's my exhaust going out. You can see. Yeah, and this is my temperature. My thermocouple, 13.2 C. So it's really low. It's really cold here. That's one advantage of living here in Vancouver. It doesn't get too hot, so I don't need to chill it as much. and this is just plugs into the to my laptop on Lightburn. Yeah, and there are the LEDs. As I said, this is around 2,500 Canadian dollars to build, so I did save a lot of money on this for this size of a laser cutter. I think that's very cheap. Yeah, if you have any other questions, or if you want to build one, if you have any if you want any tips and tricks, I can help you out. Yeah, thanks.